Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we review some of the best auto products in the market. In today's video, we'll be talking about the AutoShack PR64155LR front drilled slotted brake rotors. If you are looking for high quality brake rotors that offer excellent performance and durability, then stick around. Let's get started. Let's start with the specifications. The AutoShack PR64155LR front drilled slotted brake rotors are designed to fit most vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. They feature a diameter of 296 mm, a height of 48 mm, and a thickness of 28 mm. They also come with a 5x114.3 bolt pattern and a hub bore of 67.1 mm. These brake rotors are made of high-quality materials and are engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications. Now, let's talk about the feature. The AutoShack PR64155LR front-drilled slotted brake rotor are designed to provide superior stopping power and reduce the risk of brake fade. The drilled and slotted design allows for better heat dissipation, which means that the brake rotors will stay cooler even under heavy braking. This helps to extend the life of your brake pads and rotors. In addition, these brake rotors are made of premium quality materials that are designed to withstand the demands of high-performance driving. The cast iron construction provides excellent durability, while the corrosion-resistant coating helps to prevent rust and corrosion, even in harsh weather conditions. The AutoShack PR64155LR front-drilled slotted brake rotors are not the cheapest option on the market, but they do offer a significant improvement in braking performance and durability compared to stock rotors. Whether or not they are worth the investment will depend on your driving needs and budget. If you frequently drive in demanding conditions, such as towing and hauling, or if you have a high-performance vehicle, then investing in these rotors can provide a noticeable improvement in braking performance and safety. Additionally, the increased durability of these rotors can save you money in the long run by reducing the need for frequent replacements. However, if you only drive casually and do not put a lot of strain on your brakes, then the cost of these rotors may not be justified. Overall, the AutoShack PR64155LR front-drilled slotted brake rotors are an excellent choice for anyone who is looking for high-quality brake rotors that offer superior performance and durability. They are easy to install, and the drilled and slotted design helps to reduce the risk of brake fade, providing you with peace of mind on the road. While they may be more expensive than some other brake rotors on the market, they are well worth the investment if you want to ensure your safety while driving. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.